I have a pool noodle. Gonna show you what I'm doing with my pool noodle so you can make your own. Hello, I'm Vicky with the Purple Penguin Craft Room. Come on in, let's get started.
To take our pool noodle, and I've already started cutting at this end, so we might as well just keep cutting at this end. And basically, this is just a paring knife. I only use in the craft room. We're making little mini baskets with our pool noodles. So I'm gonna just grab, see how tall do I want my little mini basket? That's probably about an inch and a half, roughly. And usually with this paring knife, or you can get foam knives, whatever. Just to be careful. Um, but we're basically just going to take a chunk off our pool noodle. And so you have one pool noodle, you have a whole bunch of little mini baskets you can do with this. Now, I'm showing you this for kind of like a springtime basket. But you could definitely do this for any kind of like maybe like even a Halloween basket or a fall basket would be kind of fun as well. So we're just going to take our little pool noodle, and I was going to cut it a little bit more to be a little more decorative like I did this one, so where I just kind of I cut off all the edge so that it could be a little more decorative, and then this part I cut down. So you can kind of do these however you really want to. We're just going to do ours basic for this one, but you can definitely get super fancy with it. We're just going to take, this is our jute cord. This is a big one I got from Walmart actually. And basically, we are just going to take, I've got my tacky glue, of course. You can use hot glue with this, totally up to you, but basically, we're just going to take this and wrap it. I absolutely love taking things and wrapping them. This is a silicone mat, and I actually like using it because glue doesn't stick to it. And if you glue something and the glue is like spreading out and you put it back on the silicone mat, it's fine. It's not going to stick to your mat. So now we're just going to go ahead and wrap this. So now we're done. We wrapped our little piece. So this was our little piece. We wrapped it all the way up, kind of make it looks like a little cushion, right? With a hole in the center. It's like a donut cushion. All right, but then we still have the bottom. We're just gonna take. I've got some felt. This is almost like a gray brown kind of felt. I believe I got it at Hobby Lobby. But it kind of matches a little bit, so I kind of like that. And you totally do not have to do this step if you don't want to have a bottom. I kind of want mine to have a little bit of a bottom. Voila. Now we want to glue on our bottom. So now we have our little bottom, so it's looking more like a little basket, right? So now I want a basket with a top. I want a handle on my little basket. I've got this wire, and I haven't really used much of it. It's actually called Decorative Accents. I believe I got this when it was on sale at Joann's. This is a black one. I've got the natural kind of, just more of a natural color one, and I also have a green one. So they come in different colors. It's almost like it's wrapped with raffia is what it seems like, but I could be wrong. It doesn't say on the thing. So now we got to decide how tall do we want our little basket to be. Kind of thinking I want a little bit of a taller one. And this is wire, so you can bend it and twist it and do all the things. Now I want to go a little bit more. See, I want to measure out to where this part can go into our basket to hold into our basket. So we want to be able we compensate we think about that part of it. All right. These are just my wire cutters, but it doesn't always cut the material that's wrapped around the wire, so scissors are always handy as well. Now we just want to poke in our little holes. There we go. And we got our cute little handle. A little bit of green Spanish moss. Well, I've got this little bunny. I got a pack of these from Dollar General. And we can stick our little bunny in there. Cute is that? Be super cute. But I also kind of want to decorate up the basket just a little bit more. I've got Hobby Lobby had this ribbon, and I was kind of thinking on doing something. How cute is that, you guys? That looks adorable. Okay, so we're going to do that. Let's get our little bunny friend out of there. I'm going to start it. Ooh. We're going to start it on a side. And just go around. It doesn't quite make it all the way around, but that's okay. It doesn't look bad. I have this yellow. It's from Hobby Lobby. And it's just yellow with some little white flowers on. We're all done with our cute little simple pool noodle basket. Again, we just took this pool noodle and made it a cute little springtime basket. And now I can pull this guy out and I'm not gluing him in, so I can put whatever I want in there. I could put little flowers, little white daisies in there. That would be adorable. You could put little candies in there if you want. Whatever you want to do. Keep on coming back to see more at the Purple Penguin Craft Room. Happy crafting.